So if you're gonna stick on this video, what you're going to learn is to spot head and shoulders on the 1 hour and 4 hours time frame, which is I'm gonna show you a trick that you could easily spot them on the 1 day time frame. Yeah, and this trick, actually I've been trading for almost 5 years now, and this is a new trick that I have learned. Now this was just I discovered it last month. Anyway, with further ado, if you stick on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to spot head and shoulders on a 1 hour time frame, on a 1 day time frame, which you could see head and shoulders forming on 1 hour and or in 4 hours. And not only that, you could also spot the directions. Yeah, that's it. The directions, and of course the what we called potential divergent. So here it is. So first of all, to do that, as you go to the screen, look at your screen right now. On your screen right now, you could see this is NZD USD. Yep, that's NZD USD. To spot the head and shoulders, all we need to do is you have to know first the support and resistance on the 1 day time frame. So as you can see on the screen that you're looking right now, I have already spotted the head and shoulders. This is support and resistance. This is the support and that's the resistance. And actually, for the pattern trader, this is a rising wedge. It's some traders are trading on this kind of pattern. Then, after you have already spotted the support and resistance, what you're going to do is spot the candlestick that is forming like this. See, you could see a bar, then a doji, then another bar going down. So the bar that's going down, and the second one is this one. See, you can see bar, then a doji, then another bar. That's 3 candlestick pattern. If you could look on that, that's on the 1 day time frame. You could easily spot head and shoulders on the 1 day and 4 hours by just that 3. But before finding that 3 candlestick with the doji in the center, you need to locate the support and resistance of the 1 day time frame, like this one on your screen. So let's go and see, and let's go and find where the head and shoulders on the 4 hours. That one. There you go. So on the first one, this is the 4 hours, right? Nothing new. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. Go here on the 1 hour time frame, we could see a head and shoulders, and typically it's also a divergent. Look, so meaning to say here, by just looking at the 1 hour time frame and by spotting the by spotting the support and resistance, you could easily find head and shoulders on a 1 hour on the 4 hours time frame. There you go. That's the head and shoulders. Boom. So this is what it looks on the 1 hour time frame. If we go in the 1 day, where is that one? Yeah, This is the 1 day. There you go. That's what it looked on the 1 day time frame. If we move the hip pattern, head and shoulders, that's it. So, ibalik lang natin and go for 1 hour. And there we could find the head and shoulders already. So, medyo mapadali, di ba? Medyo mapadali ang trabaho nyo. Now, on the other one, the one that we have spotted the 3 bars, the second one. So, saan dito yung head and shoulders? Yan. Nakita nyo ba yung head and shoulders? Yes, I already seen it, pero hindi clear. How about the 4 hours? Tingnan natin sa 4 hours. Nope. Hindi siya clear sa 4 hours, so medyo clear siya sa 1 hour. Yan. There you go. So, dito naman sa 1 hour. So, na-spot natin. There you go. I'm gonna draw it. Yan. Medyo tagilid konti. Up and there you go. The other one, tingnan natin yung isa. Kung meron ba. Yeah, meron. Take a look on the 4 hours. Okay, wala tayong makikita na head and shoulders dyan. So, 1 hour. Yan, ito siya. Meron din. On the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So it only takes a practice to do this. At once masanay kayo, yan. Practically that's it. No? So again, in conclusion, to easily spot and easily see head and shoulders on the 1 day time frame, all we need to do is what? Find the support and resistance, and if you did, you could create a what we call a pattern on it, like just like this one. This is rising wedge pattern. Then find the 3 bars with the doji on it. So remove lang natin yung na-plot na natin head and shoulders para mas malinaw. Yan, the 3 bar. Yan. So again, makikita din natin dito, nagkakaroon ng divergent na siya on the lower time frame. Plus what is good at this is, mas malalaman natin ang direction niya. Pansin mo? No? Alam natin na ito na head and shoulders talagang itutuloy niya pababa. Like this one, bumaba siya. Tapos umakyat. Ito naman, alam natin na hindi siya dire-diretso kasi meron na siya support. So, ang ginawa, umakyat. Now, for this one naman, for the third pattern natin, on the 1 day time frame, makikita natin na the potential is going down. Kaya medyo binaba pa niya. Tapos umakyat siya ulit hanggang na-break na niya. Then, yan ang itsura for the 1 day. After a 1 day, pag meron po kayo nakita ganyan sa 1 day time frame, knowingly, most especially, ang makikita nyo pa is the doji na lang at yung bar up or bar down. Then yung third candle, doon na yung magfo-form yung right shoulder in which doon tayo mag-trade. So that's a trick. Hope you like it. And if you do have questions, so please comment below. And if you like how I did it, I've been trading like for the last week. Ito yung trade results natin. And I'm only getting 10% of the capital na kung ano yung capital ko, kailangan mag-earn siya ng 10%. So, for the last week, kaya natapos kagad yung trade, it's because I already earned almost 20%. That's already the goal for my 1 month. So, next week, which is this coming Monday, we have a lot of extra. So, pwede tayong maglaro. No? So, that's it. Stay tuned and stay tuned for my next trading dated, kailan ba yan? Dated May 18 to 22. Mag-a-analysis pa po ako. Maraming salamat.